How to download Facebook payments on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook payments on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down again until you find this one. Download your information, click on it and then click the select all and click here this one Facebook payments and go down and select data range and format and media quality and then click create file and now just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.